There is no better time to be a content creator on YouTube right now, and the most successful channels out there don't even show their faces in their videos. This is literally the golden age of faceless YouTube channels, and you do not want to miss out on this opportunity. Their success, however, all comes down to choosing the right niche, the right topics, and the right format for their channels and audience, then delivering the value that the audience expects. Suddenly, things start to sound complicated, right? What if I told you that you could run a YouTube channel completely hands-off with the help of AI, making the whole process as easy as a flick of a switch? And on top of that, I have discovered 5 niches people are searching for that would guarantee success in your YouTube channel. And the secret weapon to skyrocket your channel is to use TubeMagic AI to do your search engine optimization on YouTube. Use this tool right now to help you get more views and subscribers. Click on the link in the description below to test it out. But if you want to know more about how TubeMagic optimizes your scripts and description, be sure to stay till the end of the video. So let's get down to business and start with the first niche. First up, we have what I called the How to Make Money Online Using AI niche. This category is a goldmine for aspiring YouTubers. Why? Because it scores perfectly in both earnings potential and ease of video creation. You don't need to be a tech genius or have a fancy setup to start creating content in this niche. Let's look at a real-world example. Cash Pro is crushing it in this space, raking in up to $55,200 annually. That's not pocket change, folks. How do they do it? They record screenshots and use relevant images of AI tools and brands, put it on CapCut or your preferred video editing software to add some finishing touches. It's that simple. With over 200,000 subscribers and millions of views, it's clear that this niche has a huge audience. Why is videos about AI such a game changer? AI tools can automate mundane and unnecessary tasks, provide insightful data analysis, and even create content for you, turning you into a one-man army. Like TubeMagic, it helps creators create compelling scripts, analyze the market, and help you optimize your videos so that AI will be huge for you. So first, go on to TubeMagic and see how they could help you create your YouTube empire. Seriously, if TubeMagic can help me grow to 20,000 subscribers, imagine what they could do to your channel. And second, start making content about making money using AI. So how can you tap into this lucrative niche? Here are some realistic steps you can take. Identify a sub-niche within the AI money-making spectrum that resonates with you. It could be AI in e-commerce, AI for digital marketing, or even AI for personal finance. The key is to find a topic you're passionate about and one that has a potential audience. Next, research AI tools relevant to your niche. For instance, if you're focusing on digital marketing, tools like Jasper for content creation, Hootsuite for social media management, and ChatGPT for customer interaction can be valuable. Understand how these tools work and how they can solve specific problems. Content is king, even in the AI niche. Focus on creating high-quality, informative videos. Use screen recordings, live demonstrations, and case studies to showcase how these AI tools work and the benefits they provide. Remember, your goal is to educate and provide value to your audience. SEO is crucial for getting your videos noticed. Use keyword research tools like TubeBuddy or Vidicue to find popular search terms related to your niche. Include these keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Also, create engaging thumbnails and compelling titles to attract viewers. Here's a tip for maximizing your results. Consistency is key. Regularly upload content and maintain a consistent posting schedule. This helps keep your audience engaged and signals to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active, which can boost your visibility. Upload high-quality videos, engage with their audience, and provide valuable insights into AI tools. This consistency has helped them grow and maintain a significant market share in the AI niche. Speaking of finance, let's talk about the investing finances niche. You've seen Graham Stephan, Andrei Jik. They made a business empire by talking about investing on YouTube, amassing millions of views and subscribers, and of course, hundreds of thousands of dollars of YouTube revenue, but you don't need to show your face to. But what if you're camera shy? No worries. Faceless finance channels are on the rise. Take the Swedish investor, for example. With nearly 500,000 subscribers, this channel offers book summaries and investment tips without ever showing the creator's face. The key for this niche is to create a voice of authority in this space, meaning you need to know what you are talking about. A degree in finance or some sort of finance experience will take you a long way, but if you don't have any of that, that doesn't mean this niche isn't for you. Take up more time in doing your own research and come up with a unique perspective to what people are saying. Educate yourself is the most important step for your channel to succeed. Let's talk about how you can start your own finance channel, even if you're new to the game. AI tools are game changers in content creation. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Research and script writing. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate ideas and draft scripts. Simply input your topic and let the AI do the heavy lifting. In the beginning, you probably would not have as much experience, so AI's capabilities to analyze data and give conclusions to complex information will help you a lot. This saves you hours of research and ensures your content is informative and engaging. Step 2. Creating visuals. Tools like Canva or Adobe Spark can help you design eye-catching thumbnails and infographics. They offer templates that are easy to customize, even if you're not a graphic designer. If you can, take screenshots and screen recordings to make your information seem more authentic. But be careful to censor sensitive information like credit cards or banking info. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but I don't have video editing skills. Don't worry, we've got you covered. For faceless videos, platforms like Pictory AI can turn your scripts into professional-looking videos. These tools use AI to match your script with relevant visuals, animations, and background music. And here's a pro tip to enhance your research process. Utilize multiple sources and cross-reference information. Start with reputable financial news websites like Bloomberg, CNBC, and Reuters to stay updated on the latest trends and data. Then use forums like Reddit and Quora to understand common questions and concerns within your niche. These forums will not only give you insights on the information on hand, but they could also be potential viewers, so pay attention to their attitudes and think about what they want to see. The relationship and dating niche on YouTube is booming. With millions of people seeking advice, entertainment, and real-life stories about relationships, this niche holds a significant market share. Channels like Far From Average and Social Psychology Masters have millions of subscribers and views, proving the demand for quality content in this space. Far From Average has over 1 million subscribers. His videos offer self-improvement tips and relationship advice. Social Psychology Masters focuses on relationships from a psychology perspective and has over 630,000 subscribers. These channels are raking in a decent amount of money for these creators and is an opportunity you don't want to miss out on. Faceless videos have become a powerful tool in the relationship and dating niche. Channels like Far From Average and Social Psychology Masters use stock footage, movie clips, and voiceovers to engage viewers without showing the creator's face. This strategy allows for anonymity and focuses the viewer's attention on the content rather than the creator. The key to a successful faceless relationship channel is the quality storytelling. Viewers are drawn to well-crafted narratives that illustrate the concepts being discussed. Storytelling also gives the videos more of a personal touch and helps connect with the audience better. Stories also help in creating a stronger brand identity. When viewers connect with the stories you tell, they start to associate those emotions and experiences with your brand. This emotional connection can lead to a loyal audience that eagerly anticipates your next video. Storytelling is a powerful tool that can significantly enhance your video's retention. People love stories. They're engaging, relatable, and memorable. By weaving stories into your content, you can capture your audience's attention and keep them watching until the end. Remember, creating successful content takes time and effort, but with dedication, the right tools, and the magic of storytelling, you can thrive in the relationship and dating niche on YouTube. For me, I still write every single one of my videos personally to make sure that everything I say, I mean it. And I would appreciate you all click that subscribe button and hit that bell for all that hard work I put into my videos. So spend a little bit more time on the writing part of these videos and you will create better content for this niche and get monetized ASAP. The health and fitness niche is massive on YouTube, with millions of viewers searching for workout routines, nutrition tips, and overall wellness advice daily. According to recent stats, this niche holds a significant market share, with channels like Blogilates, Athleanx, and Yoga, with Adrienne leading the way. Blogilates, run by Cassie Ho, boasts over 6 million subscribers and features Pilates workouts, challenges, and meal plans. Jeff Cavalier's Athleanx channel, with 13 million subscribers, focuses on science-based workouts and fitness tips. And Yoga with Adrienne has over 11 million subscribers, offering yoga practices for all levels. Interestingly, there's a growing trend of faceless videos in this niche. Channels like Gravity Transformation and The Fitness Marshal have found success without showing a face in every video. They use animations, text overlays, voiceovers, and workout demonstrations from a first-person perspective. This approach allows creators to focus more on content quality and less on personal branding, making it easier for those who may feel camera shy or prefer to maintain privacy. To maximize your results in the health and fitness niche, consistency is key. Post regularly and maintain a schedule that your audience can rely on. Additionally, engage with your viewers by responding to comments and asking for their input on future content. Building a community around your channel can significantly boost your engagement and growth. As a creator in this niche, you also act as a motivator. To succeed, you want to convey the ability to make workouts about personal development and hard work. Tap into your audience's desire to become a better version of themselves. Show them that fitness is not just about physical appearance, but about mental strength, resilience, and overall well-being. Share stories of personal growth, celebrate small victories, and remind your viewers that every step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Here's a bonus tip: leverage YouTube Shorts. These short vertical videos are a great way to attract new viewers and keep your existing audience engaged. They're easy to produce and can quickly go viral, giving your channel a substantial boost. The travel guides and ideas niche is a booming segment on YouTube. According to recent studies, travel-related content garners millions of views daily. This niche attracts a diverse audience, from avid travelers seeking tips for their next adventure to armchair explorers looking for visual escapism. Channels like Hey Nadine and Kara and Nate have amassed millions of subscribers by providing engaging travel content. Hey Nadine offers in-depth guides and travel tips, while Kara and Nate focus on their personal travel experiences, creating a sense of connection with their audience. These channels highlight the potential for growth and success within the travel niche. Interestingly, the travel guides and ideas niche is not limited to vlog-style content. Faceless videos are becoming increasingly popular. Channels like Tropia and World According to Briggs excel by using stunning visuals, informative voiceovers, and engaging animations without showing the creators' faces. So, what's Tropia's secret sauce? They focus on creating long-form videos about top travel destinations. We're talking 25 to 42-minute videos covering various locations around the world. These aren't your run-of-the-mill travel vlogs. They're comprehensive guides that viewers can't get enough of. But here's where it gets really interesting. The travel niche isn't just about destination guides. You can branch out into sub-niches like best hotels, must-try restaurants, or even tourist scams to avoid. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes this niche so versatile and profitable. Now, you might be thinking, but I can't travel the world to create all this content. That's where AI comes in to save the day. Tools like TubeMagic AI can generate detailed travel guides with just a simple prompt. Imagine being able to create a script, add voiceover, find B-roll footage, and even add subtitles, all with minimal effort on your part. Want to get even more specific with your content? No problem. You can use detailed prompts to create targeted videos. For example, you could ask for a list of the best places to visit in Europe during the summer of 2024. The result? A refined, high-quality video that your audience will love? Let's talk money. The travel niche is known for its high RPM revenue per mil, ranging from $4 to over $10, depending on your viewer demographics and video length. And remember, longer videos mean more ad opportunities, which translates to more revenue for you. Additionally, there's a growing niche of viewers looking for budget-friendly travel options. Channels like Nomadic Matt and The Poor Traveler specialize in creating cheap travel plans and finding affordable flights. Nomadic Matt provides practical tips on budget travel hacks and destinations, while The Poor Traveler focuses on maximizing travel experiences on a budget. These channels cater to travelers looking to explore the world without breaking the bank. Here's a tip to maximize your results. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to share their travel experiences. This builds a community around your channel and increases viewer loyalty. Engaging with your audience not only helps with retention, but also boosts your video's visibility due to increased interaction. So, are you ready to turn your passion for travel into a profitable, faceless YouTube empire? With the right strategy and AI tools at your disposal, the world of travel content creation is yours to conquer. So these are all the niches that are very profitable with a huge audience base and you don't need to show your face on. You might be wondering, how can I take my channel to the next level? Well, we've got some game-changing tips for you. First, let's optimize your video length for maximum ad placements. Longer videos often mean more opportunities for ads, which can boost your earnings. Next, dive into sub-niches within your chosen topic. This helps you create unique content that stands out from the crowd. But here's the real secret weapon: leveraging AI for faster, higher quality content production. Tools like TubeMagic AI can revolutionize your channel growth. With AI handling the heavy lifting, you can focus on strategy and audience engagement, skyrocketing your channel's success across all niches. Now, if you need more help with supercharging your creative process, I have just the thing for you. TubeMagic helps you understand the YouTube landscape with the click of a button. With this tool, it will get you ahead of the game. From ideation to scripting to creating optimizing your videos on YouTube, this is a game changer. If you are just starting out, this could be your secret weapon to bring you to the top. Click the link in the description below to start using TubeMagic today.